Welcome to the post-game press conference. I'm joined by your winning coach, Coach Franco Atienza, and our best player of the game, Sheik Diallo. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach, nakakuha kayo ng magandang abante during the second quarter. What did you take advantage of para maalagaan iyon until the final stretch?
Yeah, we're so happy for this win. Of course, we offer this game to God. We give credit also to the other team. They have a great coaching staff, great players there. Whenever you're coming off, we're coming off a loss. It gives a bitter taste in your mouth. So we just want to go back to what we are doing right, and review on where we could improve. It just so happened that we were able to play together defensively, and of course run our system on offense. It's really nice. We have let's see, 5 guys almost in double digits. A good bounce back game for CD. I mean, he proved his worth right here. We're this bit worried on having his numbers because it is a great league and sometimes you get scouted. Teams plan for you. Right now, it just so happened that he may be. We're getting him. We're seeing him, and guys are feeding off of his strength. So what's nice about the. We have a great group of guys, and we wouldn't know who would show up in a game. Everyone is capable to score. King had a good game. Stockton is usual. Jordan was there. Shawnee was there. K-Dax, our vets there. So it's an overall team effort. We really had we were getting ready, of course, for Bolik, for Kevin, all the other guys, and of course the team. It's just nice that we were able to force this win, and I think we did it as a team. It's a testament on how we want things done as a team.
Thank you, Coach Franco. Now, Sheik, despite NLEX's relentless defense, you were consistent, greatly contributing every quarter. How did you like the support of the locals, in which they provided you from start up until the finish?
First of all, this is a team win. Sometimes, like what just mentioned, we just gotta follow the scouting report, and then the coaching staff done a great job and prepare us for that game. And everybody was on the same page. So, trying to win the game, every game is in mind. We lose a few close games last week or week before that. So we're trying to stay ready every time. The coaching staff done prepare us really good, and that's a team win. That's a team win.
Thank you. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the media.
Coach, congratulations on getting the win, Coach.
Thank you.
Siyempre, Balti ang yung focus ng karamihan kay Balti. How is he in the second game?
Well, during the first game, okay din naman siya. I mean, if you look at the stats, medyo masabi nyo na it's not as good. But we always look at it in a bigger picture. Like right now, maybe he had not the usual stats that he gets in previous teams niya. But overall, napakaganda ng presence niya sa loob. He gave us added ceiling inside. He gave us added buzzer inside. He was almost double digits on the rebounds. And he attracts attention. Yung attention that he gets, na overflow naman yun, kaya nagkakaroon ng opening yung mga guards namin. So, we're at least a bit worried in terms of stats. What we are looking at is the total team effort. How he fits in and how we play off the strength of each other, and how we cover up in weaknesses of each other. So it's really that, and we are really confident na he will be a major part of our team of the league. He will napakataas pa ng ceiling niya.
Sheik, about same question. How does Pilabing Justin Baltasar additional big man to help you in the middle?
Oh, you're talking about my team?
Justin.
Oh, Justin.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I mean, kind of need him, like the coach mentioned, he's kind of like a key factor to our game. And as pretty much, just come up from the final ride and just getting his legs ready. And we really need him. And he's playing really good. Like coach mentioned, everything is in the start doesn't mean anything. also. He got a really good pass to Justin down there, and a really good pass to me and I got one. So it's pretty much it's really good skill, and I think that helped also in the down the line.
Sheik, after 5-6 games, how's the experience playing here? Yeah, overall experience for you.
So one more time.
How's your overall experience after 5-6 games for you?
Oh, it's been amazing, man. No complaint, you know. Just love all my teammates, you know. We laugh, we joke. You know, this was a big win for us. We really need to win this game. And we're going to take it game by game. You know, we got another one in a few days. And we just get tomorrow, you know, cover, practice again, and come back and play again. You know, we got to take every game. It's like a championship game for us.
Coach, last na lang, medyo hectic yung schedule nyo until Christmas. Paano yung approach nyo doon?
Yeah, it's like a 3 game in 5 days or 4 games in 8 days, if I'm not mistaken. If that makes sense. So medyo talagang sunod-sunod. But meron kaming, I don't know parang dalawa yung sunod na back-to-back games. Baka kasi ko. Anyway, so yeah, yun naman talaga every team goes by this. We savor the competition, we savor the challenges. So wala naman ibang paraan basta go through it. Maybe just deal with it chunk by chunk. So yung kanina, we are dealing with it itong game lang muna. And then walang quick turnaround. Walang hindi kami masyadong magdudugan dito. We want to prepare for Thursday. And then, dun pa namin isipin sa Saturday as we go on to that Christmas Day break. So, there's no other choice but to go through it. Kasi pagdadaanan mo talaga, I mean, hopefully, yung last conference, we were in the playoffs, medyo ganun din yung schedule eh. So, maganda nang nadaanan mo na yun at some point, masanay na rin yung team, masanay in terms of prep na medyo pagod ka, tapos kulang yung time for recovery. You have to quick turn around right away. Makalimutan mo, talo kayo, makalimutan agad kung panalo. You adjust right away. So I think this will only help us. Makakatulong ito nang hindi na kami manibago when in the future we have the same schedule. And I'd like to point out, medyo 48 at 28 assists and 11 turnovers, medyo maganda yung ganung numbers. So we wanna keep at that. Yun yung testament siguro na medyo it can go both ways eh. Pagka araw-araw ka naglalaro, baka mapapagod ka, pero yung familiarity naman sa isa't isa, yung floor time, medyo umahangat. So hopefully we get the better, more of the better than the bad part ng scheduling. Peak scheduling.
Okay.
And that sums up our post-game press conference. Thank you and congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Thank you.